Lutong Barkada. I'm Marie.
And I'm Joy.
Today's recipe was shared by one of our kabarkadas. Joy, I tasted this when Badit brought it to our Mother's Day celebration and I loved it.
My girls and I loved it too. We are making chicken avocado salad. Not only does it taste good, but it's a healthy meal and quick to prepare.
Okay, so for the first thing we need is the marinade. We need half bunch of cilantro, half head of the garlic, olive oil, 2 limes, and salt and pepper. And then we will need to marinate the 1-pound chicken. And for the rest of the recipe,
to complete the salad, we will need 2 ripe avocados, cubed, 1.5 cups plain Greek yogurt, 2 stalks of celery, sliced, 1/4 chopped red onions, half teaspoon chili powder, 1 whole lime juice, salt and pepper to taste, and we will also need romaine lettuce. So Marie, let's start marinating the chicken.
okay, so for the marinade, Joy, you can get ready with your lime, and I'm gonna put all the half a bunch of the cilantro. This,
then I'll juice the lime juice, the lime.
And then we also put all the other marinade ingredients, which is the garlic and 3 or 2, did we say 2 tablespoons of oops dun. And 3 tablespoons. Thank you, Lee. Okay, so we will add accordingly if we need to add. We need also the salt and the pepper, but we can always adjust this later too. You can pour it, Joy.
Okay, so this is the lime juice, 2 lime juice.
Is that your favorite?
Yes, I like this one. All right.
Okay, and now
So this.
yeah. Oops. Wait, sorry. There. Okay. That's good. Okay. You should see that mixture, right? Or
The consistency
is that what we're looking for? So, Badit, is this okay now? Okay. Badit said it's good. So now we will scoop some of the marinade and spread it on the chicken. Joy, do the honors, spread it.
spread.
And then if you have enough or like extra, you can put it aside, put it in the refrigerator. You can flavor your fried rice with it. You can do so much more, and we will show you in other videos because Badit will share it with us.
That's right. So let's spread. Should we do the other side? Let's do the other side.
Oh, I'm sleeping on the job.
And we will marinate this for 30 minutes. At least 30 minutes.
So while we're waiting for 30 minutes, we will now chop our other vegetables like the what do you call that? The celery,
Onions.
the red onions, okay? So
Let's marinate
we'll
this.
be back. So guys, now we are ready after 30 minutes or more. We are going to grill the
our
chicken, or you can also pan fry the chicken. And
Put this in a preheated pan or grill.
So Joy, is that ready? We're going to take it out.
Let it cook so we can transfer it here in a clean plate. We'll take this and then we'll put another chicken.
A few moments later.
Okay, Joy, ready na? We're ready to cut it, right?
So yes, we'll cut this cube. We'll cube this chicken. I can't wait to finish it. I mean to taste it. Alright, so we'll just cube it. Just like this.
And then we will mix everything here.
Yes. And then while I'm doing this, do you want to cut the avocado?
Oh, I was waiting for you to cut it. Okay, I will cut it.
Alright, this is the first. We'll mix everything together.
Okay.
So we'll add more chili powder. Chili pepper powder. How much, Marie? I think that should be good for now. Then let's add a little bit of more of salt. Should we add more lime?
Yep.
Yes.
So after tasting it, we decided we added salt, pepper, chili powder, and lime.
Just to balance the taste. Alright, there you go. That should be good.
Pepper? No more?
No, I think the pepper is good.
Okay.
Alright, that looks good. I'm super hungry and can't wait to taste it.
Okay, May. Our barkada can taste it.
Yes. So we will taste it with our lettuce.
Okay, and I will taste the chicken.
Let's try it. I want more of avocado right here.
Good. guys, we all enjoyed. Did you enjoy, mga kabarkada?
Yes.
We want to say thank you to Badit for this yummy recipe, and I hope you will try it. And AJ,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
and click that notification bell. So see you next time. Bye.
Bye.